Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials: a charged watch and the Xiaomi companion app on your phone. Power on the watch and choose your language. The screen guides you. On your phone, open the app and permit Bluetooth and location access so the watch can be discovered. Once done, tap Add Device in the app and accept pairing prompts on both devices. Make sure to keep them within 1 to 2 feet until the initial handshake completes, because a stable connection prevents setup errors. You will now pair and configure features. When the app shows a pairing code, confirm it on the watch to establish trust and allow the app to access health and notification data so alerts show up. Next, choose metric or imperial units and pick a watch face that displays the info you want at a glance. Make sure to enable background activity or battery optimizations so syncing continues. Finally, customize quick actions and app order so the watch fits your daily workflow. If you're ready to use the watch daily, swipe to access notifications, press the crown for apps, and start workouts from the sports menu. Once synced, review health metrics in the app and adjust goals if needed. If notifications stop arriving, make sure Battery Saver isn't restricting background sync, then force a manual sync in the app. If the watch loses connection repeatedly, restart the watch and phone, and if problems persist, unpair and repair to refresh the secure connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.